total blackout. Oh, do I see power? Wait, power? Anyone? This is my house. Total blackout. You can hear the wind. Power? Anyone? These are houses around here. No light. Oh, light. Can we get light? What if they have light? There's no power. Here comes the wind. I am stuck outside. I cannot find my way in. Oh God, this is a problem. I can't see. Flash of light, flashes, flashes. Okay. Crap. Oh my God, I have to use my light. Oh my God, I'm totally lost. I can't see anything. Oh my God. I'm lost. Holy shit. Pardon my language. Oh my God. I can't see anything. Jesus Christ, where's my stepson? Oh my God, I can't see anything. It's a blackout. Do my neighbors have power? But they have power. I have power. I can't get into the house. Hayden? Is that a step? Oh my God. I've had a blackout. Shit. Help. Help. I hear chairs. Where am I? Oh, okay, that's a chair. Alright. Okay, so I got stuck on the porch outside. I went outside to film the wind. And, the entire neighborhood just went out except for a few people. This happened about 2 months ago too, but we got our power back. My husband's at Walmart. He said that their power went out too while he was in the store. Okay. I think I found the door. I found the door. Okay, I'm going in. House is pitch black. Okay. I'm in the house, but we have no power.